weird noises?
I don't know. Get up.
Wait, what?
Anna, what were those weird noises?
I don't know.
Liam,
What?
did you make the weird noise?
No.
Or did you make the weird noise?
No? Did you?
No.
Did you? Did you?
No. Raise your hand if you know who makes these weird noises. Who?
I'm not the one making the weird noises. It just all of a sudden happened to me.
I'm not making the noises either. It's happening to me too.
Well, when did it first start happening?
Didn't you guys bump into each other?
Yeah, we did bump into each other. When we fell down, that was when the noises began.
Oh yeah.
Well, maybe if you bump into each other again, you'll turn back to normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's good to try. Guys, go back to the door. Okay.
Did it work?